Hello and welcome to my part one of my creative process, creating digital forms. Yeah, so here we are in Blender, a free program that you can download on your laptop or computer. Here I am just showing how I would make a tile piece for my form, my 3D forms. So this is just really detailed shape that I'm trying to remake the Nifo. This Nifo will probably look different by the end of it, but I start with the basic shape and then I will explore and edit and abstract and kind of just pull the shape apart to really explore different looks of it. So that's what I'm doing here. The second part is also not so much on the detail of the Nifo, but the overall form that shape will be projected onto. So here I am just trying different techniques of how to make 3D forms. There are a few constraints or parameters around when I'm making these. You can't really see them, but in my head I know the angles and all that can't be printed, so there's actually a few guides I am trying to follow when I'm modeling these, but overall you can see that there are different techniques to making these models, and I'm just trying to showcase quickly how you can do this at a fast pace. Very different to hammering and chiseling away from wood, but I find it's the equivalent.